Panthers don't really look at roads as something to be avoided. It's something within their environment and they just cross it. When a panther gets hit, people can't believe how somebody could hit a panther. They're a fairly large animal. Surely you should be able to see them. But nothing in the panther's world travels at 80 miles an hour. So when they're crossing a road and they see a car down the road and it's coming straight at them, it's hard for them to judge how far away it is and how quickly it's approaching them. They start walking across the road and that vehicle is there before they know it. So, people don't hit panthers on purpose. It's an accident, something that happens. Wherever there's roads, panthers are going to get hit. So fast forward 4 years later, 224 is about 5.5, 6 years old now, and she gets hit by a car again. A passing motorist saw her laying on the side of the road, took a picture, and actually called us about it. And when she fell asleep, that's when we were able to see the extent of her injury. We could tell the other leg was broken, and she also had a big cut in her side. We knew she had kittens with her, but we did not know if they were with her at the time. So we went out and set some box traps to catch the kittens, thinking that they would, kind of hang around, looking for mom. Sure enough, they came back and we caught them that night, which was, just fascinating to me. One, how they could find her, but they also found that spot. The third kitten, for whatever reason, was lagging behind just another day. What's interesting about this location is where 224 was actually on the south side of I-75, west of County Road 951. So to get to where she was, she actually crossed north of I-75, crossing 6 lanes of traffic, and then crossing east to 951, and that's where she got hit. So her kittens did that same route, and the 2 male kittens found where she was. That female kitten was a day or so behind her brothers, did not find them, so she went back to the last location where the whole family was together, which was that spot south of I-75. So she made it back across 951, but then when she was trying to cross south of I-75, she actually got hit and killed.